And church communities across Keloland have been finding new ways to stay together and connect during the COVID-19 pandemic, and that goes beyond just worship services. Today, Our Savior's Lutheran Church hosted a Honks Hugs caravan of cars to drive past area care facilities that some of their members live in. 3 groups of cars split up to honk and wave past the centers in Sioux Falls. The cars had signs in the windows showing support. Even Kermit the Frog came out to say hello.
We're going to drive around and honk our horns and wave and make sure that they know that we're thinking about them, and we're saying that our honks equal hugs.
Coming up later tonight on Keloland Weekend News at 10, learn about the message the church wants to send to its members. The Preston Christian Church in Bruce, South Dakota, northwest of Brookings, has resorted to using the radio to deliver its services. For the past 4 weeks, members could drive into the parking lot and tune into 98.5 FM to listen to the service. Pastor Tim Smith said the idea came from a friend in the Twin Cities who used a drive-in service to deliver Mass on Sunday. In order to properly broadcast the service, Smith says they had to order their own transmitter.
It's kind of a unit that is meant for churches and things like that, so it's pretty easy to use. It just plugs into our portable sound system, and we do a lot of worship outside the church. We go to baccalaureate services and community services, so we're kind of set up for that anyway.
Later tonight at 10, we'll show you how the drive-in service has helped boost morale among the congregation and its sister church.